Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back again with another video for you guys. Today's video, finally got it in. Figured I'd open it up in front of you guys so you can all see what it looks like firsthand. And boom, there we go. Dan's Restorations. Let me go put on so you guys can get a better look. Okay, so here we have it. Can't really tell on video, but there is a wrench right here, but can't really tell on video, but in person you can definitely see it, but I like it. If you guys want one similar to this or some of the other ones that we have, I think right now we have 13, maybe 14 shirts. But head on over to Templar Gear. Direct link will be down in the comments section below. It'll be pinned right up to the top so you guys can go check it out. Remember, use code word TOOLS, capital TOOLS, for 5% off your first purchase. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.